Welcome to this enlightening series on effective maintenance practices. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to delve into the world of routine maintenance. You'll come away with a clear understanding of what routine maintenance entails, examples of its application in various settings, and how to maximize its benefits. Now let's dive right into the world of routine maintenance. So what exactly is routine maintenance? It involves maintenance activities such as regular inspections or machine servicing. It's done on a regular basis, which could be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Routine maintenance is a crucial part of keeping systems up to date and functional. Now, routine maintenance tasks are usually small and simple in nature and only require basic maintenance skills to perform well. They can be completed daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Companies that invest in routine maintenance can extend the life of their assets, reduce emergency maintenance, and keep their production lines or facilities up and running more consistently. Did you know that routine maintenance is a type of preventive maintenance and also a key part of total productive maintenance? In this, machine operators perform small maintenance tasks to increase the reliability of the machines they use every day. Let's talk about how routine maintenance decreases downtime. It's designed to help keep equipment, machines, and buildings operating optimally. If a particular piece of equipment needs lubrication, it may work at a slower rate and reduce the efficiency of an entire line. If dirt interferes with a certain component, an entire production line can be shut down until the problem is identified. Lubricating and cleaning equipment on a regular schedule prevents such problems. Moreover, routine maintenance can be scheduled on a daily basis, allowing a company to maximize the use of its maintenance resources. For example, if maintenance technicians move from one emergency work order to another, they may have to travel between locations, gather different tools and equipment, or simply switch mental gears from one problem to the next. A maintenance worker performing routine maintenance can clean, inspect, and adjust many items on a single piece of equipment much more quickly. Let's look at some examples of routine maintenance. Workers who perform routine maintenance for an apartment complex or other residential building are responsible for cleaning shared areas, inspecting and cleaning units when residents move in or out, or changing filters or other components in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. In a factory setting, routine maintenance involves lubricating, cleaning, and adjusting machines, replacing equipment parts on a schedule, inspecting certain components, or performing condition monitoring exercises. Maintenance technicians who work for a municipality perform routine maintenance throughout a city. This includes trash removal, landscaping, and building walkthroughs to check for busted ballasts and burnt bulbs. Now let's talk about the benefits of routine maintenance. It prevents larger problems from occurring. Taking good care of equipment, machines, and facilities extends their overall life as well as keep them performing at their best. Routine maintenance gives technicians an opportunity to regularly lay their eyes on important components of a production line or specific system, as well as a chance to catch any other potential problems that are lurking. In addition, most maintenance technicians assigned to perform routine inspections, cleaning, or adjustments are entry-level or relatively new to a particular maintenance department. Routine maintenance is typically simple and straightforward and is an excellent training ground for a new technician to learn about a particular facility, business, or complex. Finally, let's discuss how to maximize routine maintenance. It provides an excellent return on investment considering the reduction of emergency work orders, increased efficiency of equipment, and fewer equipment replacement needs. To maximize the benefits of routine maintenance, provide training and education to maintenance technicians about how to clean, inspect, lubricate, service, and adjust equipment, components, or systems. Create a comprehensive maintenance checklist for each piece of equipment or machinery that requires routine maintenance and research the industry standard for lubricating, replacing, or cleaning to ensure the routine maintenance is appropriate. And that wraps up our discussion on routine maintenance. We've covered what it is, its benefits, examples of its application, and how to maximize its effectiveness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. For more information and resources, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.